Good afternoon. My name is Amalia Deligiannis, and I'm the editor of Plumbing Engineer magazine. This is day 2 of the AHR Expo, and we are here again for another episode of PHCPPros Live. With me today is Dave DeVries from Weil-McLain. Hi, Dave.
Hello, thanks for having me.
Thank you for joining me this afternoon. Why don't we start off by you telling us a little bit about yourself and your role?
Thank you. I am the Director of Product Management, and what that means is go out, I spend time with our customers and try to find out solutions that they need, things that help solve their problems, stay in touch with industry trends, try to figure out how we drive efficiency, how we make things easier to install, easier to service. So really help, figuring out solving our customer needs or the needs of the industry. So it's a great job, a lot of fun.
Right. So can you talk a little bit about Weil-McLain in and of itself?
Weil-McLain has been making boilers and water heaters for over 130 years, so we've been in the industry forever. We have a great group of reps and distributors, and we're well entrenched in the marketplace. So it's a great place with a great heritage.
Okay, so since you've been around for so long, tell us what's new with the company. You have a lot to talk about, I bet.
What's new? Well, a couple of different things that we're doing. We just launched a ProTools app, so the focus has been on solving like basic problems for the contractor, and not sticking technology and Wi-Fi when they don't need it, but we focus on just getting the basics to really help them be more efficient in what they're doing in their job. You walk into a basement, boiler's 20 years old, you don't know what it is. You need the information on that, so we're getting that to their hands right where they need it on the job. So we're really excited about it. Great feedback so far.
So what spurred what motivated your company to develop this app to help your
really, as we went and interviewed contractors and found out what their problems were, we're like, boy, these are some basic things, and we know we can help do that. So it was really by understanding our contractors better and better.
Okay, so how can people learn more about this app?
You can go to WeilMcLain.com and you can download it. You can go to your app store. You can go to the Apple App Store, the Google App Store. You can just type in Weil-McLain and you'll find it.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
I'll admit I did download the app too, but
Good.
I'm not allowed to have my phone next to me during these interviews, so I would have pointed that out. What about
should have had that ready, right?
Yeah, I know. That's okay. What about new boiler introductions? Are you doing anything new on the boiler front?
On the residential side, we have the Ecotech, which we launched last year, and again, we're adding some more improvements every year. We add improvements, make it better and better. We've got a color display, so it's really easy to use and operate, especially for the younger generation of contractors that are coming in.
Okay.
Right? It's not all seasoned veterans with 20, 30 years of experience anymore. We have new people that are used to interfacing with these, right?
Yes.
And so they need to look and operate and act like that same way. So that's one of the things that's really exciting. We're adding some Bluetooth and connectivity to that product line as well. So we're really excited about that.
That's wonderful. And what makes the Ecotech unique for the market?
I think again that color display and that ease of use, that ease of installation, ease of service. We make the boiler. We focus on when it has to be serviced. It's easy to use and install and get at all the parts. Right? We make it all nice and spacious.
Oh, that's fantastic. Yeah. Are there any other products from Weil-McLain that we should know about?
Well, a couple things that we have been doing. We have our line of cast iron boilers, and the Department of Energy puts in new efficiency standards every year or every so often. So we've upgraded all of our residential boilers over the last couple of years. And this year we're updating all of our commercial cast iron boilers for the new DOE requirements that take place next year.
Oh, wonderful.
And then we're also, what we were excited to show at the show was our new SVF line.
Okay.
Updating that popular line for us. We're putting into a new control platform, again, a 10-inch color screen display, so it's much easier to operate. Some smaller sizes, smaller footprints, and expanding the range of the sizes. Okay,
so this is your high-efficiency hydronic heating system, the SVF?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how does the new and improved SVF benefit your contractors?
How does it benefit our contractors? Again, we focus on making it easy to install, making it easy to operate, making it easy to service. Common parts across the whole line, an easy interface to connectivity. So we kind of bring all those things and just trying to, again, our focus is on that install versus technology for technology's sake. So what makes our contractors' job easier?
So like on average, how do you, in terms of times of install, have you I guess, to run estimates on how much it's been improved with this?
We go watch, we benchmark, we do time studies, so we do all of that to make sure it's getting better and better.
Okay.
I don't really have a percent for you, though. Sorry.
That's okay. That's okay. Let's talk about the industry in general right now. What kind of factors do you think are driving the boiler market these days?
You know, I think there is that drive for efficiency, that there is going to be that drive to be climate conscious, decarbonization. So all those things, you know, the entire industry is looking at, and there's a lot of different paths you can go to improve. And I think the industry is looking through all the different ways and trying to figure out what the right way is.
Okay.
And it's not just new technology all the time. Sometimes it's you need to take the basic products and keep driving their efficiency and getting them better and better. And that's what we've been doing over the last couple of years. All of our product lines are getting more and more efficient.
That's great. And the last couple of years have been a bit tumultuous, to say.
Unique, yes.
Unique.
Yes.
Because of the COVID pandemic. And how has Weil-McLain adapted because of the pandemic? And, you know.
That's a great question. A lot of what we do is training, right? So you need to adapt to do webinars, and you need to adapt to online training and getting a schedule on that. That's a lot different for people, because normally you want to be hands-on, right? And we're starting to get back to that hands-on, that hands-on approach. Or when you do hands-on training, you have to modify it, right? It's, you know, you need to take all the right precautions, keep everyone safe, and that's, you know, that's new, that's unique, that's different.
Right. So is your company, I guess, have you moved to an is everyone remote, or are you going in office?
We have a balanced approach across. Each facility is a little bit different depending on the job and the position. So I think we're really doing a hybrid approach across the board.
And do you think that will stick after the pandemic passes, or do you think people will move in-house?
And again, I think you know, our leadership team is really each facility is probably a little bit different in what they can do.
Okay.
But I think there will be a hybrid probably a hybrid approach going forward. You know, there's some benefits to that, and there's some drawbacks. You bring in new people onto the team, you want to be face to face, right? So there's you know, that camaraderie, that team building. You know, I think we want to get back to face more so.
Right. So that probably helps with innovation.
It does.
Correct?
It does. It does.
So it seems like that's a big motto for your company, innovation, like one of the driving factors for Weil-McLain. So how does that innovation develop, you know, motivate your company to develop more hydronic heating products? And
you know, I think working on innovative products motivates everybody, right? You're doing something new, it's fun, exciting. What we try to do is focus on our customer, on our innovation, and not just innovation's sake. Hey, look, we did something new, no one else does it. Is this helping my contractor? Is this helping my distributors? Is it helping my partners, or the operator, the guy that ends up with the you know, the Ecotech in the basement, right? How is it making his life better? So much of what we focus on, quality, installation, service. You can keep saying the same thing, but that's what's important, you know.
Well, as long as you stick with what you know and how to improve that, that's great. Is there anything that we should expect from your company in 2022, this year?
Again, we'll have a new line of the commercial boilers.
Okay, great.
We'll have the app, and I think there's some additional digital transformation projects that we're working on that we'll be rolling out. So I think that's the main thing. And again, then our commercial cast iron line, new improved efficiency across the board on that product line as well. So
wonderful. So if any of our viewers want more information about Weil-McLain, where should they go? Who should they reach out to?
They can reach out to WeilMcLain. Go to WeilMcLain.com or find your local rep.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much for your time today.
All right.
It was nice speaking with you.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
And we will take a short break until our next interview, but thank you very much, and we hope to see you again soon.